integrating the source content. This produces enhanced sound effects in movies, deeper bass in music, and makes voices clear at sporting events, allowing viewers, for example. Now, as I mentioned earlier, ambient recognition capabilities allow for content enhancement in accordance with different ambient lighting conditions. This means the TV will react to the environment by automatically adjusting the screen's brightness levels. And the Alpha 9 Gen 2 processor uses the TV's ambient light sensor to measure light levels, not only to change the brightness, but also adjust the tone mapping curve. So the capability of the processor further refines HDR content, including Dolby Vision, and this lets viewers enjoy the content in even the darkest scenes with incredible contrast and detail, even if you're watching in a brighter room. Find content to watch or to control the TV. So now you don't have to keep making repetitive commands to get the exact information you need. The TV can understand the context, allowing for more complex requests. And this service will be available in over 140 countries. But wait, there's more. Many of our customers may also happen to have working with Apple as well to create a streamlined user experience. So I'm very pleased to announce today that we're adding Apple's AirPlay to our 2019 TVs. One that delivers the best picture and sound quality, since both support Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. So now, consumers will have easier access to the largest selection of Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos titles. Another new feature this year is the intuitive home dashboard, making it very simple to control a wide variety of smart home devices directly from the TV. It also happens to be helpful if you misplace an individual remote. Just use the TV. LG's entire 2019 lineup of OLED TVs will include the proprietary AI technology, plus all of these other capabilities, which will have a new name, NanoCell TV. This new name highlights the picture enhancement provided by extensive rich colors through NanoCell technology. OLED TVs and selected NanoCell TVs will support features like high frame rate content. The result here is smoother and clearer motion at 120 frames per second for better rendering fast action content such as sports, action movies, and video games. Support for enhanced audio return channels enables home theater enthusiasts to seamlessly utilize HDMI connectivity and enjoy the highest quality audio formats available with superb detail and depth. These TVs are also an excellent option for gamers because they're compatible with variable refresh rate as well as automatic low latency mode.
LG is taking OLED to yet another level, combining the world's best TV engineering and design into a home entertainment marvel. What science fiction directors imagined decades ago is now reality.
Well, to tell us more about this idea of evolving intelligence, I'm delighted to invite to the stage one of the world's leading authorities on artificial intelligence. Chloe?
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the CEO and founder of Lending AI, Dr. Andrew Ng.
Thank you, Dr. I.P. Park and the LG Electronics team for having me. AI is the new electricity, and much like the rise of electricity 100 years ago, AI is now poised to transform every industry. Modern AI works best if you have a lot of data. So the more data, the better the performance. That's why we talk about big data. But if you're using a washing machine, you don't want to have to wash millions of cycles before it has enough data to figure out how to optimize to laundry loads. AI is making rapid progress in small data. That means that AI is increasingly becoming intelligent even with much smaller amounts of data, so that maybe a washing machine can, after just 3 or 4 loads of laundry, start optimizing for your water, your detergent, your laundry. Imagine if every device at CS could become more intelligent with just 3 or 4 users. Wouldn't that be cool? The second trend, learning at the edge. Advances in silicon are making it easier for AI to learn at the edge. That means the learning happens right there in your washing machine or in your refrigerator rather than off in the cloud.